Hey guys, which craft shall I share with you? Idea. We need colorful wire. It's so nice. Its color is so nice. Take a wire. You can take any wire that you want. So this is the way to round it. Hurry up and like my video while we are rounding it up. It should be like this, okay? So cut it from here and it cuts like this. So our ring is ready. Wow, it's wonderful. You can make this in 1 minute. Wow, it's wonderful. So subscribe my channel, like my video. It looks so nice. Wonderful. Share my videos to your family, friends. Thank you. Like my video. Thanks for watching. Bye.